Hi everyone, we're at 145 3rd Street, Unit 102. This luxury 2-bedroom condo also has a den and it offers great views of the marina. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the dining area with beautiful views of the marina. The living area is open to the kitchen with quartz countertops offering great views. A great additional feature is the den. The primary bedroom is bright and open with a 4-piece ensuite. There's an additional bedroom, a 3-piece bath, and laundry. You will enjoy sitting on your patio with great views of the marina. Other great features is the common room, locker, and underground parking.